In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create videos using photos in Canva. Whether you're crafting a compelling story for social media or creating a personal montage, Canva provides an intuitive platform to bring your ideas to life. Let's dive right in and explore each step of this creative process. First, you'll want to head over to Canva, and once you're logged in, look for the video option. Clicking on this will bring you to a variety of templates designed specifically for video creation. This broad selection is perfect for anyone looking to produce either simple or more dynamic videos. After selecting the video option, you'll notice a category labeled animated social media. This is where the magic happens. These templates are customizable and designed to elevate your visuals with captivating animations. Go ahead and click on that section to explore the rich variety of options available. Next, you're going to need to upload your photos. On the left panel, you'll find the Uploads button. Clicking on this allows you to upload your own images directly from your computer to Canva's platform. The process is seamless. Simply drag and drop your desired image into the window, and it will upload in no time. Once your photo is uploaded, it's time to creatively integrate it into your video. Simply drag and drop the photo onto the canvas area. To make sure it fits perfectly, right-click on the image and select the option Set Image as Background. This ensures that your photo is not only positioned correctly, but also covers the entire video frame, creating a visually appealing backdrop for your content. Now let's add some text to your video. Click on the Text tab in the left panel. You'll see an option to add a text box. Click on it and a new text field will appear over your image. Here, you have complete freedom to customize the text to suit your message. Experiment with font styles, sizes, and colors until the text aligns perfectly with the theme of your video. This personalization is a fantastic way to convey your message and keep your audience engaged. If you're a Canva Pro user, you have the added benefit of incorporating audio into your video project. By clicking on the audio button, you can explore a multitude of tracks that are available to you. Select a track that complements the mood and tone of your video. Once chosen, you can preview your creation by clicking the play icon. This allows you to see and hear how your video flows with the added audio. And there you have it. You've just created a video using photos in Canva. This tool is truly a game changer for anyone looking to produce professional quality videos with ease. Remember to experiment and have fun with the various features Canva has to offer. Thank you for joining me today, and happy creating.